Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Up-N-Runnin. Thanks for watching. Alright, on this episode we're going to get back to working on the Blazer. I hope you enjoy it. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it for your notifications, and click the like button. Thanks for watching. All right, Ed painted the hood. Sorry I didn't get any of the video of it, but here it is. He said it turned out really nice, except there's one piece of hair in it. So I'm gonna see if I can find it. So far I don't see it. And actually he told me too that at one point he accidentally drugged the hose in the paint too. Oh, I see it now. But he feels he can sand this out, sand and buff it out. Let's see if I can get down there. There it is right there. Let's see if I can get a better view of it. Right there. One piece of hair. Otherwise it looks fantastic. There's basically no trash in it at all. Yeah, this hood looks nice.
And honestly, I could probably do away without faulting it, and I got that hair in there.
Yeah, I find it took me a little while to find that piece of hair, but I see it. Of course, it's got to be black. All right, if you remember back when Ed was sanding this hood, we were talking about these little vents here, and I figured I'd show you how these turned out. You can see they're really nice, and there's not, you know, a bunch of roughness in them or anything like that. So it's definitely worthwhile to, you know, take your time and sand those out as best you can, you know, to really get down in there and make them look nice. Up here, Ed was starting to lay out some of the trim and, you know, get some clips put in and things like that. So hopefully it won't be too much longer, and we'll be putting some of this trim on as well. All right, a buddy of ours stopped by today with this 1970 Chevy pickup. He's gonna pull it up so I can video it a little better. This truck sounds awesome. You can see this is a pretty good truck. How long did it take you to do this?
1 year.
1 year. Yeah, they're not quick.
1 year exactly.
That's how long it took me to do my Super Bee just like this too. I just left the patina and it took a year.
Yeah.
Like right on the money.
The tires never turned when I took it out of the field.
Yeah. Yeah, that's kind of the way my Super Bee was too. I just kind of drug it out, and
Yep.
the motor was locked up in it, and so yeah.
Drives great now. It's awesome.
Oh yeah, it's awesome. I saw you did all the weather stripping. You mentioned you did all the felts, and that's the stuff that makes it drive nice and be comfortable, and
Yep.
you know, things like that.
All the drivetrain's all new. Front end's all new.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
Thanks.
Oh, okay. Thank you. We'll go take a look inside. The awesome thing about a truck like this, you could use it as a truck too. You know, you could pull with it, put stuff in the bed, and you don't have to worry about it. I'm gonna open the hood. Got a nice little 350 in it. All the chalk marks are still up on the firewall. That's super cool. This is a really nice truck. Shut the hood. Super hard to find a truck this old, this nice. He really lucked out here. Alright, I hope you enjoyed it. It's a 1970 Chevy C10 pickup. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for another episode of Up and Running. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to come back next time. We'll keep working on the Blazer.